Hi, this is ARES, and in this video I will show you how to create Undet project and open it inside ARES Commander. So the first step is select Undet menu, and in the Project Management tab press New, and in that indexer window we should select project type for the point clouds which we are planning to use. So in this video I'm going to use the point clouds of a scan building, so I'm selecting the first project type. In the next dialog, press Add Files, select point cloud files which you want to import. Once you will see the list of your point cloud files, you can select a couple of them and move to the groups. And of course, if needed, you can rename these groups or individual files. Once everything is done, you should press Create Project and check the settings. So if you're just planning to use this point cloud project inside ARES Commander, you need to uncheck first two options and press OK. Select location where you want to save your project and write the name. Undet point cloud project and press Save. So now Undet will index your file and convert it into Undet project. If you are new with the point clouds and don't have sample data but still want to test Undet software, you can go to undet.com portal, press Support and Learning, Point Cloud Sample Projects, and here you will find some projects which you can open directly in ARES Commander, or you will be able to find E57 files just to try to index files and later on load it to the ARES Commander. So while the software is working, I will speed up this process. Okay, I see that project creation is completed. I'm pressing OK. So now instead of pressing New in the Project Management tab, this time I will press Open and select this Undet point cloud project which we just created. And you will see the point cloud files which you imported inside ARES Commander. And also you can close or open Scan Data window where you can find all the files which you imported. And here you can control the visibility of each file. This is how simple it is to import point clouds inside ARES Commander. See you on the next video.